The bulldozer is one of my favorite construction vehicles, but take a look at this. This construction vehicle is called an excavator. Excavator is spelled E-X-C-A-V-A-T-O-R. Excavator. The excavator has a massive scoop on the front of it, used for digging. This excavator is digging a hole for the foundation of a new building. Let's watch and listen as the excavator does its job. Sometimes, older buildings need to be torn down to make room for new ones. This excavator has a big metal claw used to tear down the heavy concrete and steel. Let's watch and listen as the excavator tears down the building all by itself.